Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, it is one important public notice published in the official website of the National Testing Agency on 22nd August 2020. So from this notice, it is really a very good news to the joint CSIR UGC NET June 2020 aspirants. Why? Because for online application form, the link is once again opening. See, the reopening of the online portal for submission of online application form for joint CSIR UGC NET June 2020 examination. Okay, so it is a very good news to you guys. So please utilize this opportunity. And while coming to the notice here, in view of the representations received from many students who have not filled application form due to the changed circumstances arising out of COVID-19 and request received from the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the National Testing Agency has decided to reopen the portal again for a few weeks. This is also applicable to other students who have not been able to complete the application process or submit online application form for CSIR UGC at June 2020 due to one reason or another. So by any other reasons, if you couldn't able to submit the joint CSIR UGC NET application form, then once again the National Testing Agency is opening the link for online application purpose. In view of the hardships faced by such students due to COVID-19, the National Testing Agency is now reopening the online portal to submit online application form afresh or to complete the online application form CSIR UGC NET June 2020. So it is brought to the notice of all concerned that the facility of submission or completion of online application form will be available on the website, that is csirnet.nta.nic.in, from 22nd August 2020 to 10th 9 2020 only. Okay, so within this duration, once again the NTA is going to open the reopening of the online application form, submission of the online application form. So submission or completion of the online application form shall be accepted up to 5 o'clock p.m. 10/9/2020 and submission of fee up to 11:50 p.m. of 10/9/2020. The requisite fee can be paid through credit, debit, net banking or UPI and Paytm. Accordingly, the corrections in the particulars and center citizen online application forms will be operational for a week, that is 11/9/2020 to 17/9/2020. That means the candidates whoever already submitted the application forms, so they can able to change their examination centers within this week, that is from 11/9/2020 to 17/9/2020, up to this 1 week, and a correction up to 5 p.m. and payment of fees if any up to 11:50 p.m. So the candidates and their parents are advised to keep visiting this website, and this website for latest updates. The candidates can also contact these numbers or you can mail your queries to this mail ID for any further classifications. Okay, so it is a notice that we got from the National Testing Agency regarding the reopening of the online application portal for the submission of application form for the joint CSIR UGC June 2020 examination. So the candidates who couldn't able to fill up at that time, so please utilize this opportunity. Now the application window, online application window, is going to be open from 22nd August to 10th 9 2020. So all the best to all of you guys, and please share this information to all of your friends who are planning to write the joint CSIR UGC June 2020 exam. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.